Alright, hello YouTube. I have a high idle kit for a 2023 F350 6.7 Power Stroke. Going off of the instructions, you will notice very quickly that these instructions will not work. It shows right there that if you open the kick panel, right there, that your pigtail will be there. I can promise you it's not. So I want to try to do a quick video for you guys. Not really good at YouTube, so please bear with me. The pigtail you're going to be looking for looks like this. There's a smaller one. I believe it's only like 4 wires you can see, and another maybe couple that's bundled you cannot see. Ignore that one because it is just up in here. Ignore that. What I did was I took my glove box out and then pulled this trim off, and I was able to get my hand in here while a friend held it. The glove boxes is easy. Both of those, you'll feel a little resistance. It'll drop down, and you can see I have the BD wire plugged in right here, and there's that harness. It's nowhere near where they said. I found it by, you might be able to look back in there where that orange wire is, and it was kind of cramped back in there. So try there, look around. So then what I did was I ran the wire down through here, and it's underneath the carpet, going all the way across. So let's get this back in here. You will need to take this little guy and get it lined up. Got clip, you're good to go. If you have a friend with small hands, I would highly recommend their help on this. So now that I showed you where to find that, I'm gonna real quick show you how this kit works. So on this side, I used a coat hanger to pull it through, and I have it mounted right there. There's a little passage. Oh, I forgot to do that. The truck's not happy that I don't have, it's not thinking the key's in there. So parking brake is on, and then you just turn it until your desired RPM. Now this will also work if my truck wanted to connect to Apple CarPlay. Just restart. So we're gonna remote start it. Starts up, and then slowly goes up to the RPM you had it set to. Hope that helps you guys.